Can't find the adapter. We're going to see if the cord's long enough to make it in the shop. It may be. It stops right here at the shop. We may have enough. Oh, look at all this crap. How about more goodies for future projects? Oh my goodness. I need another shop just to put all my future projects. There's all the pool stuff. We got to get that put in, I think, this weekend. Well, you know, my extension cord may be long enough. We may be all right. Yep. Whew. Got lucky. Oh, it reached barely. Oh, I guess we don't need this contraction thing. But at least I showed you that. That's, I thought, pretty cool little system. This is my heavy duty extension cord. 30 amp RV cord, extension cord. Great for grinding. Alright, we'll just file that right there. Looks like a good spot. Alright. Back to our project here. There's not really a good place to show you what I'm doing. Did I lose that nut? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I've lost a lot of nut cells. Alright. So, that's my little welding project. We're going to try to put that in the cylinder head. And I don't know how I'm going to do it because I can't see back there, so I don't even know if, you know, if I guess I might have to weld this without a helmet, close my eyes and hope for the best. I know I got to crank the temp up high. Holy cow. Damn, I used that much gas? Yeah, I was right here at the orange. Guess I've done that much welding. Dang. Man, I just got this tank filled too. Alright. Okay, so you're not going to be able to see what I'm doing. But going down there, I don't know if you can see, but we're going right there. That's what we're going to try to weld on. I'll try to make it where you can see what I'm messing up because I have no idea if this is going to work. It's the first time I've ever done anything like this. And he made it look really easy on the old interweb, watching them on the old YouTube. Oh, yes. Okay. So this is just some tape. Don't know if it's going to work, but it's what do you call it? Ducking tape. Just a little metal. So I'm going to put this into the head and then just kind of push the tape onto the head so it stays in place so I can do this. Whoa, I don't mean to knock you around. So my plan is to see that right there. I want to go in like this and try not to touch it. It's going to be hard. It's going to be like, you ever play that game Operation? That's what it's going to be like. But instead of it going, it'd be me going, fuck. I mean, shoot. You know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to tell you. Alright, and I got me a wrench, so as soon as I get it welded on, I'm going to start trying to work it back and forth. I did go ahead and crack me open a beer, drink it. That way it kind of helped me. That way it seems to make me a little steadier, or maybe it makes me where I just don't give a shit. Either way, let's rock and roll. Get this bad boy in there. Can't see what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Okay, that's... Nope. Stay in there. Alright. This tape may catch fire. I don't know. I figure this aluminum tape would be better than regular tape. Okay. Not gonna strike it. Snip this off. There went a spark plug. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing way down there. Turn the camera down a little bit. So I basically took the ground off, so it's not gonna spark. Oh, see, my tape's already coming off. It's so dang hot outside right now. Really not hot, just the humidity. Alright, stay on there. I don't want it to go off. I just want to get some gas going in there. Oh, and I dropped it. Nope, it ain't gonna stick. Gotta do everything left-handed. Probably should have cleaned the head. Maybe that's why. I'm just gonna go ahead and hook up the ground. Nope. Hard. This is gonna be hard. No room. Can't get the handle in. Shit. Son of a bitch. Freaking kidding me. Put this on the motor somewhere. Nab it. Should have got plenty of gas in there now. Oh my god, I just freaking ripped it off of there. Oh my god, how the hell are you supposed to do this? Without yanking the motor out. Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh. No, stay in there. Ow. Feel like I'm getting shocked. I don't think it's going fast enough. What the hell's going on? I don't know what's going on here. Ooh, that nut's hot. I should drop the nut. Where'd it go? They make it look so easy on the old YouTube. Taking a pair of needle nose vice grips. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to try to hold that and weld it. Oh my goodness. I have to do everything left-handed again. I cranked the welder up higher. I need my hand to move down in there somehow. Oh my God, I cannot get my arms to bend how I need it. Okay, here we go. I don't know what I'm welding. Don't feel like I'm welding it in. Don't feel like I'm getting it welded in there. I think I just melted the copper. That's all I did. I can't quite get it in there. Nope. Yeah, see, I just end up welding that on there. I don't think the copper got melted. Dang it. That pisses me off. I don't know what I did. Nope. It ain't doing nothing, damn it. It's that damn copper. I gotta get this copper off here. I don't know what the fuck I'm welding. I'm just welding. At this point, I'm getting pissed. Nope. Just fucking breaks off. That fucking copper is not coming off now. That copper tube is a joke. Now I've done screwed up. Now I'm screwed. I'm guessing that little piece of copper is still screwing me up. I'm about to say screw it and mess with it some other day. Oh, I even welded my damn vice grips. Damn it. Looks like I can break it off though. Look at that. That's a good weld. Let's see how it's all bubbled up right there. That tells me that it's still got that copper in there. Son of a bitch. Come on, try a couple more times. Got a handful of square nuts. I think if I weld it enough, all that copper should be out of there. Now I'm worried about the threads. At this point, we're probably gonna have to pull the damn motor. Yep. It's like, see it right there. Look at all that copper. Excuse me, I'm burping up my beer. Can't get it to focus. Excuse me. Why is this not focusing? There we go. See all that copper? Got a good weld. I mean, look at that, that's beautiful. Probably should have just not even tried this copper bullshit. I'm not, you know, it may work, but it's not working for us. I should have went with my gut feeling and just welded a nut and hope for the best. There honestly wasn't too much threads showing, so I would think if you weld it and you did weld a little bit on the threads, I would think once you start turning it, it would probably, first couple of threads would probably be messed up, but once you start backing it out, it'll cut the new threads or clean the threads up as it's coming out. But the copper thing sounded like a really cool idea. Like I said, it may work on other applications, but it probably would work if you could see what the hell you're doing. I'm literally can't see nothing and I'm just guessing. So I'm hoping I'm gonna do this a couple more times, hoping maybe I'm burning the you know what I'm trying to say, copper. About ready to just weld a damn stud on here. Come on. Do something. Man, this shit ain't doing nothing. Oh, I completely missed the fucking hole. This is really hard to do. Wish I can get my arm in there to bend right. Oh my god, it just came right off. Oh, I don't know how to get this shit out now. I'm gonna end up having to take a grinder and grind this shit out. Yeah, that's going to be quite an ordeal. All right. Well, that didn't work. We're going to have to do some more thinking. I'm going to go get everything put up because it's about to rain. And we're going to get the shop cleaned up. That way we can get the charger moved over into the shop and then take everything in the shop and put it over here in the lean-to just for now. All right, I'm going to get all this crap put in the shop. All right. Peace out.